Are you looking for a way to be able to earn some money on the side? It's always a good idea to have some extra cash for a rainy day, right? Well, I have a way that can help you do that, and what's even better is that this is something that you can set up to do, and then once it's up and running, you don't have to do much to be able to earn more. I'm going to show you how to make some passive income, and you're not going to want to miss out on this money making opportunity. You don't need to spend any money at all to get started, and you don't need to have any experience working online. I'm going to show you just how simple it is, so stay with me. Before we get into the video, hi, welcome to Money Express, a channel where I share tips and tricks on how you can make money. Subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you'll be the first to know. Smash the like button down below if you want to see more videos like this one. Alrighty folks, let's get into it. So before we actually go to the money-making platform that I'm going to be sharing with you today, there is another website that you're going to need to sign up for to be able to use this platform. So you're going to open up a browser and go to Offervault. Now you may be feeling a little bit concerned because you think that you're going to have to pay to be able to sign up for an account on here, but I can assure you that signing up with them is completely free, so do not fret. Now that you're here, you may be wondering what exactly this website is for, and Offervault is basically a CPA marketplace. Now, if you don't know what CPA stands for, then it pretty much means cost per action. Now, you may think that people are going to need to buy something for you to be able to make money on here, and that is actually not the case. So how it works is you send out your referral code, have someone use your referral link, and once they do that, all they need to do is do whatever the website tells them to do, whether it be to give their email address or some information, and once they do that, you can get paid. They don't need to spend a dime, any money at all, to be able to help you start making money. One of the pros to doing this over affiliate marketing is actually the fact that people don't have to spend any money at all for you to be able to make some money. So unlike with affiliate marketing where they have to buy a certain product or service, they don't need to buy anything here. All they need to do is fill out whatever form or give an email address and you can make money. Now, if you're kind of curious as to what kind of links you're going to share and that type of thing, you can go up here in the search bar and you're going to go ahead and type in gift card. And this is a really popular keyword here on the site. So once you do that, you're going to hit search. And then it's going to show you offers that you can refer people, and then once you refer people and they sign up, you get paid. Now with these types of offers, they're actually pretty cool because when you refer people and you give them your referral link, this actually gives them a chance at winning a gift card, which is kind of a win for them, and it's a win for you because you also earn money once they sign up. So it's really cool because it is a win-win and it's a great way to be able to score some cash. Now, referring people with links for this type of offer can help you earn this much money, but there are offers that can help you earn even more, so you can take a look and find one that suits you. Now, if you want to be able to figure out how it works, you can actually click on the offer and then it's going to bring you to a page where it's going to show you exactly how it works and what type of information they're looking for. And once you know what you want to do, what kind of offer you want to share, you can go ahead and share a referral link for that. Now, obviously, the more people that click your referral link and give an email address, the more money you're going to make. So you're going to want to be able to direct traffic through the link. And I have a way to be able to do that, so you're going to want to keep listening.
But before I do that, don't forget to hit the like button down below, share this video, and turn on notifications for more videos on how you can earn extra cash.
Alright, so as I said earlier, the very first thing that you're going to need to do is sign up for a free account here on Offervault. Once you do that, they're going to give you a link for you to share to be able to make money. And then once people actually sign up or you send an email address in using your link, you start making cash. Now, not all of these offers are the same. Some of them have different dynamics than others. Some just ask for an email address, some ask for other information. So you are going to want to click on the offers and make sure that you know what they need exactly. Anywho, to sign up for a free account with Offervault, you're just going to click on this right here. And once you do that, it's going to bring you to a page where they want you to fill out a form with some really basic information. So all they need is your name and then your email address and then a password. There are some questions that they ask as well, and they ask for your social media accounts. And then you have to do the CAPTCHA, agree to their terms and their conditions, and once you are done with that, you just hit this button right here. It shouldn't take that long to be able to sign up. It's really self-explanatory, so go ahead and do that right after this video. Now, once you are signed up for an account, you should be able to grab CPA links and be able to share them, drive traffic, and start making some cash. Now, you may be wondering, where am I going to share my link to be able to start getting traffic? So, if you want to start getting traffic to your link, you're going to open up a browser and go to this website right here. Now, this website is great for generating traffic because they have at least 7 million visitors every single month. Sometimes it's more than that. So it's a really, really great website to be able to try out when it comes to driving traffic. Now, you may be wondering, what exactly is this website for and what do people do on here? So basically, people ask questions every single day on this website and they wait for answers from people from the internet. Now, another pro to using this website is that aside from being exposed to all of the users that are directed to this website, you also get people from Google who click on this as a search result. So obviously, people ask questions, people Google those questions that were asked on this website, and then if you get enough views to that question, then it becomes one of the top search results here on Google. So obviously there are a lot of people that visit this site on an everyday basis, people coming from Google and people that specifically are looking for content from here. So I highly suggest trying this website out. Obviously signing up for this is free and you're going to want to go ahead and do it right after this video. So if you want to sign up for a free account, you're just going to go ahead and click on this right here. And once you do that, it's obviously going to bring you to a sign up sheet. All you need to do is give them some of your personal information, just confirm that you're human, and pretty much all of that stuff. And once you're done with that, you're going to be able to sign up. And once your account is up and running, you are ready to start making some money. Now, if you don't know how you're going to be able to drive traffic, all you need to do is go over here to the search bar, and what you're going to want to search for is different keywords like how to make money online, or how to make passive income, or how to make passive income online, how to get free giveaways, how to get free gift cards, stuff like that. That's what you're going to want to search for in here. So once you do that, you're going to want to look for people who are looking to be able to make money online. These people are your target audience because they're the ones that are more willing to sign up for things. So obviously those are the types of people that you're going to want to look out for. Now, your offer is gift cards, so obviously it's something that people are going to want for free because in a way it's kind of like they make money to be able to spend at a certain shop or a certain website. So you're pretty much just going to type into the answers of these types of questions that this is a way to be able to make money, or this is a way for you to be able to score a free gift card. And then you're going to want to go ahead and give them your link so that you can make some money. All you need to do is type up some sort of attractive comment or attractive answer, and then people are going to start clicking on your link. So for example, you could do something like this. You could say, hey, if you sign up for this free giveaway, you have a chance at winning this much money or this type of gift card, or basically whatever your offer is about. So after that, you can just paste your link and then people are going to start clicking on it. As I said earlier, this is a way to be able to earn some passive income. All you're going to need to do is answer as many questions on here as you can, send them your link, and have people click on it by putting some sort of attractive message before your link. The more attractive your answer, your comment is, obviously the more clicks you're going to get, so you're going to want to take a few minutes to be able to come up with something catchy or witty just to be able to attract people's attention. Once you do that, you can make money in a matter of minutes, and it's just going to keep rolling in. And this is something that people are going to want to click on, so do not fret because it's a passive way to be able to earn some money. Anywho, that's all I've got for you folks today, so go ahead and try this method out because it is a great way to score some cash.
Now before I go, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more simple ways to earn extra income. That's all for today. See you in my next video.